Welcome to Submits Environmental Academy. My name is Saeed Abdulgafar. We have gone through add, fill, split, transpose, sorting, and filter. Now, today we'll be moving on to table. We'll be moving on to table. Now, when we talk about table, what comes to mind? What comes to mind? Now, table is a way of assembling our data or a way of compacting data. When you arrange your data inside the table, it is easier for you to call the table, to add more data, to add more row or more column without you without even just trying to say okay add more, because the table is so sensitive that okay it knows that this thing should be part of me. If you want to sum with table, it's very easier also with table. There are other data that are not organized in table. Now let's make it easier now. When we go to this thing now is not in table. All of these now they're just rows collection of data. They are not arranged in table. For you to make a table now, anywhere around all this data, just click any cells around them. Once you click on it, back to this your home tab, you see where you insert. So sorry, the under the insert, this is your insert. Then from this insert, you click table. This is tables. We have pivot table, recommended pivot tables, and tables. So in case you will be asked in Excel, what are the type of table that you can find? You have pivot table, recommended pivot table, and normal table. So this table is what you're going to click. Once you click on it, so it asks that where is the data for your table? It asks for the ranges of data. So it starts from where? From cell C5. Look at this place. This is your C. This is C now. And the department is under row 5. That's why it says C5 up to G13. Here, this place is G. And this last cell is 13. All right. Then this place must be toggle, must be checked. My table has header. Then you click on OK. Now observe the changes. Once you click on OK, this place you can see something like arrows on top. These are what you use to determine. Oh, is and once everything is done, this new tab will show up. Let me undo and see. I'm here now. The number of tabs you can see here now. You can see them now. Once I said insert table, okay. Now at this place you see something table design. So you can see table design. It says okay, design a table for us. These are what you look for. These are what you look for. So all these things we still talk about them. Now, after this table design that you have done your table, so with table it is easier for you to create a new row. So if you should add any data under this thing, under this meet, automatically the table will expand to capture it. Let's say I've done meet daily, we have daily there too. Let me increase my daily DELI. You can see it brings in, it has increased. You can see this small icon. So it shows that it has increased the table size by itself. If I should come here again, let's say I now say January. Let's say I say January. Well, let's say I say total. You can see automatically it's widening the column as well. So these are the work of table for you. You don't need to be the one to drag it. Automatically, it will expand itself. It will expand itself for you. Now, what you should now do is that this table now that we have clicked on, this table that we are now, let's say Control A, that I'm here now, the table design now, once you are here, this table design allows you to change the look of your table. Here is the style that comes to it automatically. If you want to change it, you click on this one. See, it changes. This is another style, change your style, another style. If you remember, so these are what These are what you tend to understand with table. Hmm? Then also in this table now, you can see something. Let me go back to the first one. You can see that this place is checked. Say filter button. So by default, filter button, all this one, once you uncheck this thing, look at how what happens. It goes. So most time filter button follows your table once you come. Hmm? Then row is there. Now this other row now, let's uncheck. You can see the other row as they've gone. So table always contain header row. Then banded row, look at it. Oh, once I check this thing, you can see that the intercept that are in that make it easier for us. The banded row has been removed. So by default, you should understand how all this table work. Now, admin will include banded column. Now you see something. You might not understand this way. Let's say let's remove this banded row. Now banded column. It is not in this the demanded column doesn't support this format. Let's choose another style. Let's choose another this thing. Let's say I choose this one now. Now here and I say bounded, you can see bounded column, bounded column. So this format supported support bounded column. You can see. Okay, let's uncheck this. Let's go with this and go back to the first one. Then this aspect of first column, last column too. Look at it. First column, last column. So it might not show here, it might not show in this format, but in some style, it always shows. Then last column. Once you click on it, so it should show, but it's not showing here as well. That's not a big deal. So this is not where we are. All right, Control A. First column, last column. So it's not showing here based on this style of it style. No. Then here you want to here this area external table. If you want to import table from external source, so this is where you come. Then you want to insert slicer to your table. You want to summarize, remove duplicate and the likes. These are what you do with tables. Right now we want to do calculated columns in table. We want to make some calculation with table. Now remember this is already a table that has been added to it. Now the way what part of what you can do to make it easier is that because this is a table already, you don't need to be giving yourself and be typing some equals to. Just press Alt and equals to enter. So you can see that is the part of the efficiency of table. Once you are working with table, everything becomes easier. Hmm? Everything becomes easier. Part of the efficiency of table is that it makes it easier for us to auto sum our columns or rows of data. Understand? Also, adding total uh, total row. Now, this are row. We want to add total row for our data. Now, here to do this is that you see these are table design tools. All right. So there's a place that you see coming. Let's say this is this one. We are here now. Control A. I've select this thing, right? So total row now. I want to show total row because I have click on this thing now. Once I click on total row here now, you see it brings add total to it and increase our table. So now if I should click Control A, you can see that total row itself is there. So it has added everything together. That is part of the power of table for you. Hmm? So if we want to know the uh, if we want to know the average of this thing now, if you want to know the average of this thing, what we're gonna do is that once I've clicked on here, this drop down that is here, click on it instead of automatically it is on the sum. So you just click on average. So it shows average. Then you cannot change this to say you cannot change this thing to say average. I don't know if you're getting it. I don't know if you are getting it. Now this is total average. So and if it is, let's say you are looking for uh, maximum, the same thing. It brings the maximum value for us from this data. All right. So if you want to know more, just go click on all this link to learn more about this thing. It's very easier to understand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share to others so that they can also benefit from it. So have a wonderful day and bye.